angelic host proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing,
Where'd Ellen go?
glory to the newborn King.
Everybody's got to sit down so we can start.
Are we going to sing this or not?
Can we have an encore of that?
Christ by highest heaven adored, Christ the everlasting Lord, late in time behold.
Watch your toes are right behind you.
Here we go. Ring. Go for it.
Angels sing glory to the newborn King.
Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise. Where are you at?
I'm not Hark the Herald.
Why do you hark? There's a whole verse that you missed.
I didn't say verses.
Take it from the top.
Can you do,
What? This is it?
can you do what child is this? What child is this?
Oh boy, let me see.
What,
No, 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 Owen.
I didn't know you were singing.
Is there?
Rest on Mary's lap is slain.
You can't have that, honey.